how do you decide if you want to have, uh, hang on a second, I'll change the view here so we can see it better. So, how do you decide if you want to have like double run conveyors going from your dryer to your bin and then out across, or elevator and conveyors going out? Or should you do blower system where you put, I didn't build the distributor in there, but should you do a blower system where you blow the grain up and out across the bins? And the layout of the pipe isn't going to really make a difference. You can run it up here and out across like I did, or you can bring your pipe over here and then go up this bin and go over and go up this bin and do each bin individually. Either way, it's going to take the same amount of power to convey the grain to the farthest bin. Now in this system, each one of these bins hold 30,000 bushels, so there's a 90,000 bushel facility. And to blow to the farthest bin at 2,000 bushel an hour is going to take 60 horsepower. 2,000 bushel an hour is going to take 60 horsepower to go to the farthest bin with these three bins. If we have double run conveyors, 8-inch double run conveyors, and we do 3,000 bushel an hour, up to 3,000 bushel an hour, this takes 22.5 horsepower. So 25 horsepower, we're running 3,000 bushel an hour. 60 horsepower, we're blowing 2,000 bushel an hour. So if electric, so when it comes to deciding whether you convey to your bins with mechanical conveyance or whether you convey with air, pneumatic type conveyance, that decision is going to be on what do you want, like what for electric supply do you have? Because if you have limited electric, the mechanical conveyance is going to be your better option. If you have plenty of electric, or let's say you have bins where it's across driveways and you're going far where your grain system is not laid out properly and just you got bins all over the place, then it gets less cost to do an air system. But if you are doing a new site with bins in a row next to the dryer, then mechanical conveyance is going to take much less horsepower, like a third the horsepower, a quarter the horsepower that a pneumatic conveyance system is going to do. So when deciding whether you go with pneumatic conveyance or mechanical conveyance takes a fraction of the horsepower. It's just very simple to design pneumatic conveyance. It's very easy to design pneumatic conveyance. A lot of people do it because it's simple, but mechanical is, in this system, we're looking at less than 25 horsepower to run 3,000 bushel an hour to the bins. Here we're looking at 60 horsepower to run 2,000 bushel an hour to the bins. So you do the math, but it's significantly more electric to run the blower system. And the cost of the equipment here is not going to be a huge difference. There'll be a little difference, but there's not a huge difference between this mechanical conveyance and the pneumatic conveyance. Will be a little more for mechanical, but not a lot.